Welcome to creating your own digital portfolio or a basic website. So to do that, we are going to go to your Google account. So you log in and then you see this waffle icon right here, which shows you all your Google apps. So you can get to the sites from this waffle icon, or you're going to just type sites.google.com. Again, we are just going to type sites.google.com. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to a website which looks like this. Now, this has this plus sign which says blank and it says start a new site. So you can use any of these templates. But what I'm going to do, and you can go through the template gallery like this, and you can see, do I want a template which looks like this, or do I want a template that looks like this? You can make a decision on that. But I am going to choose a very basic template right from here. So I'm going to click on blank. And once I click on the blank, it's going to give me a site which says untitled site, and it's going to show me enter site name and something that says your page title. So I'm going to go in and type it out as before I even do that, I'm going to go to the themes. I'm going to choose a simple theme that looks like this. Okay. I'm also going to keep the colors as yellow, so I chose that. And I can choose my font style right here as capital, frank, or narrow. So I'm going to stick with capital, and I'm going to choose my header type to be a large banner. And once I do that, I can also choose an image that goes with it. So I can either choose an image from here, or I can go and choose an image from my documents that I already have, and I can choose an image which looks like this, let's say. So I have one which looks like this, and I'm pretty happy with that, but I want to change the title to this is my daughter's digital portfolio. So I'm going to say Ria Varta, that's her name, and this is her digital portfolio. Okay, so I can make that text as a normal text, or I can choose a title and center it by clicking on this. So this is Ria Vartak's digital portfolio. I can also choose that, put it right here, and that would be another way of putting in the same information. Okay, so we got Ria Vartak digital portfolio and the yellow line below it, and I can choose um, to name this as Ria site. Okay, so that's my first option. Now I want to feature 4 of her projects. I want to make this, yep, the title. So I'm going to put a text box right here, which will say project 1, and her project 1 is Tiger Bookmark Project. Okay, I also want to change that to title, and I want to center this, and I can add some color. So for emphasis, I can make it yellow like that. So that's one project number 1. And what I already did is took a picture of her project. So I'm going to go in here, and I have a picture of her project right in here, where it's Tiger Origami Project that we did together. So I'm going to put that in here, and just make sure that image is properly organized. And we have the Tiger Origami Project, we have the algorithm, and some videos. Now her second project is, say, project 2 is her project on microbit Fitbit. So designing a microbit Fitbit. And again, I'm going to make it title, and I'm going to center it. Okay, And I'm going to make sure it has that color so that everyone can see it. And I'm going to drop an image that we already took right in here. So that gives me another project that she did, which is around microbit Fitbit. Um, and it also shows the coding that she did for this project. Okay. Her third project, so this is essentially giving you the coding, what it was, and you can also link it right here. You can link it to her actual project, which was right here. You can copy the link, go in here and link it, and now this, when they click on this document, they will be able to go to the project right away. And the third project is that of a project 3 is the engineering design project of building a bridge. Right? Again, I'm going to make it a title, center it, build a bridge. So, and then I'm going to color it, which is the emphasis. And then I'm going to drop the image that we made, which was this. You have to again resize your image correctly and center it as you need. So this was a very basic paper bridge, and there was some presentation around it. Once you are happy with what you've given on the images and the description of the project, you're going to add a small text box and questions. Please feel free to contact me at your email. And I'm going to put my email, which is my Leslie email. And you can use that as a heading, and you can make it italic and center it. That way, someone, if they have questions about it, they can ask you, and you can emphasize it like this. They can always contact you and ask you. Now, once your website is basically ready, which is with 3 design projects, it's your digital portfolio, you're going to go to this icon, which looks like a man with a plus sign, and you are going to make sure that it is published. When you click on this links vary and you click on change, it should be published to the public, okay, which means everyone can see it. And once you have that, you're going to click on done, and then you're going to click on publish, which means it's going to give you the name of your website. You don't have to request public search engines to not display it, so you don't have to do that. And then you click on publish, and it's going to generate a site which looks like this. You can go to the publish, that blue button, and you can click on view publish site, and this is what the website looks like. How amazing. And this is the link that you can send to anyone to showcase your digital portfolio. So that's a quick tutorial about the project, and I wish you all the very best, and hopefully you can create some fun websites, some digital portfolio that you can send out with your resume and get fun internships. Thank you again, and have a great day.